Hi, Jeff.
Jeff. Jeff. Oh no, I spit on myself.
How do you spell yourself? Oh no, I spit on myself.
No, stop it.
Is this your nose?
Yeah.
What's this, your ears?
No, that's my foot.
Is this your... What is this?
I am not stupid.
What's this? Caitlin, what's this?
Man in vaginitis.
Okay, you're awake. Are you just joking?
What?
Are you joking around? Are you joking around?
Jeff!
Dude, shut up.
What? Vagina. Ninus. Why are you... No, stop it.
I'm gonna throw more water on you if you don't calm down. Your hair is falling off. Your nose is bleeding.
My hair is not falling.
Your nose is bleeding. Your nose is bleeding.
My
Caitlin.
hair isn't falling out.
Your knees are falling out. You have a broken leg. Doesn't that hurt though?
Stop.
Caitlin, where's your eye? Where's your eye?
In the hole.
Oh my god, you're so
But
gross.
I'm not specific.
Where's your mouth?
I don't kiss and tell.
That doesn't make sense.
Not like I've been kissed anyone. Hey boys. Let's rub my friend's ass.
Go kiss your boyfriend, he's over there. Nolan just came over here. He's riding a skateboard over here.
No, he doesn't skateboard.
Yeah, he does.
You're such a liar.
He's coming right... Oh, there he is.
Nolan.
Are you really that high?
I missed you.
Kiwi. Oh my god, dude.
My tongue burns. Alright?
Is it working?
Tooth!
Can't work.
Teddy hit me!
Want me to get more water?
Teddy's hitting me!
I think the water helps.
we should restrain her and then she gets less hot. Teddy! Teddy, help! Teddy! Teddy! No! Not the soap! Stop! Not the soap!
Holy water.
Not the soap! Soap! He's my new best friend! That's my new best friend. Let me go talk to my friend.